Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and all the right options? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 in bright white. With halogen quad headlamps, gunmetal headlamp bezels, 17-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, power heated exterior mirrors with manual foldaway, luxury front and rear floor mats with logo, leather wrapped steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, park sense rear park assist with stop, dual zone automatic temperature control, front and rear interior LED lamps, 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, heavy-duty engine cooling, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5419.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.